In the previous video, I discussed nouns in details with examples. In this video, I will be discussing pronouns. So let's see what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words that replace nouns. Why we need pronouns? Because if we repeat noun again and again, then it will look so weird. We will see this with example. Examples of pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. We will discuss all of these examples in detail, so stay tuned. Now listen to the story. Let's read story with me, or you just listen. Once there was Anabia. Anabia went to school. Anabia had a summer gala at school. The school arranged ice cream and ice cola stalls for the children. Anabia is crazy about ice cream. Anabia took a lot of ice cream at summer gala. Oops! It looks so weird. I have been repeating Anabia, Anabia, Anabia. Does it look weird to you? Now, here is a role of pronouns. Let's replace nouns with pronouns. Anabia went to school instead of Anabia. We will write she. Once we have introduced the proper noun in the coming sentences, we will write pronoun instead of noun. So we will write she instead of Anabia. Anabia went to school. He had a summer gala at school. The school arranged ice cream and ice cola stalls for the children. She is crazy about ice cream. Anabia took, no, not Anabia. She took a lot of ice cream at summer gala. Color of pronoun. Why we have to introduce color of pronoun to children or students? Because it gives us some kind of infographics, which is the more effective way to teach your child the concept, any concept. The color of pronoun is pink. If you have watched my previous video, you would definitely be knowing that the color of the noun is black, but the color of pronoun is pink. Before going to discuss proper nouns in detail, first you have to know person. What is the person in grammar? First person, second person, and third person. First person is that person, those speaking, and the second person, those being addressed, those persons with whom you are talking. Third person, who are neither speaking nor being addressed. So everybody else are third person. Let's see actions of pronouns. I. Just point your finger towards yourself. This is a first person pronoun and it is a singular pronoun. You is the second person pronoun and it is a singular pronoun. The action for you is point to someone else. He is a third person pronoun and it is a singular pronoun. Point to a boy. This is its action. On the contrary, she is a third person singular pronoun. The action for this is point to a girl. Singular pronoun it's a third person pronoun and it is singular. Point to the floor. Normally it is used for things. We is a first person plural pronoun. Its action is point in a circle to include yourself and others. You as a plural pronoun. It is a second person plural pronoun. Its action is point to other people. The third person plural pronoun. Its action is point to the next door class. There are several types of pronouns. For example, personal pronouns, possessive, relative, demonstrative, reflexive, and there are some other types. Keep in touch and stay tuned to Little Soup. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Insta and Facebook. I will be sharing a lot about grammar, that how you can teach grammar through a multi-sensory and engaging way to your children or to your students. Subscribe. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.